that Gus whistle.
Do you want to do that?
Whistle that is. What?
Do you want to do what I just told you?
Yeah.
You think it'd be fun?
I thought you said a baby fun.
I said it
A
would
baby fun. I thought you were licking it.
Yeah. You're videoing me?
Yes.
It's okay.
That's okay.
It's still videoing, you know that.
Yes, I do. Wait. Oh, never mind. Ladies first.
Past experiences have scarred me for life.
Down in this basement, we've heard weird noises and play with Barbies. With Barbies. Bobbies. Past experiences.
That's my fake singing. I'm not really singing, actually.
I just took a screenshot.
While you were videoing, that's something new.
Oh, I've never done that.
Crazy cat who comes from
Her name is Maddie. Hello. Hi.
Her name is
Maddie. That was very dramatic. Very.
the crazy cat who comes from.
Cincinnati.
Her name is Maddie.
Maddie.
You're just wasting storage on that. You really.